Question is, where to go today? So today, I'm at Falls. Not much of a trek, literally just parked up kind of next to it. Quite enjoy kind of shooting waterfalls and water. Well, to be honest, what landscape photographer doesn't? Hopefully, the rain stays off, it'll all be good. Right, so what I've actually done, I put my waders on because I wanted to get on the other side of the main, like the first waterfall. Reason for that, because it kind of curves, so I actually want to kind of point and follow the leading lines rather than going against them. Fingers crossed, it will work, but it's just fun just to have a bit of an explore. To be honest, at the moment, I'll start thinking about taking some shots in a minute. And I think I wear feet, which is the first. J tip number one, best thing you can do, get a shower cap from a hotel. Perfect. You can still see through it, you can still compose. We need to take a shot. Quick, done, sorted. Absolute disaster. My when trying to put my tripod up, the little springs just pinged off. And now doesn't go on. I found one part, but the other part's in the river somewhere. So, not happy at all. I am so annoyed. I said literally just a little spring. Lucky, I actually caught my camera. Don't know if I'd be able to order it again, order the little bit on it. I still took a picture, I just kind of held it down. So, silver linings and all that. Oh, I'm just so annoyed. It went a couple of weeks ago as well, but I kind of put it back together and it was fine. See what I can do, I might carry on or I might not bother, I'm not in the mood anymore. Right, slight update. So obviously this video, I know it kind of ended a little bit abruptly, but I say after breaking this, obviously with all the bits going in the river, it just completely throws your head. And I say I was quite excited to kind of go and explore and have a look around, but I basically had to put my tripod in and actually just kind of hold the bottom, because obviously this is there's just nothing in this anymore. Yeah, so there's a bit that goes on here which I've ordered. Cost me like near enough 50 quid. So come on, Manfrotto, get your gear together. Like that's ridiculous. You pay enough for the tripods anyway, and just for this little bit, and it shouldn't break. So fingers crossed that'll come in
in the next few days. This weekend I'm off to the photography show, so absolutely cannot wait for that. It's always really good, really excited to go and see it. So if anybody does see me, feel free to come and say hi. Always got the old Bernard Van Son hat on, so if come say hi, we'll grab a cup of tea or something. Brilliant. Anyway, this is the picture I've got. Hope you enjoy it.